Hi, today we're going to be looking at fidget spinners. Like, right now, these, took over the world. And I have about 5 of them. I do have 5, actually. I'm going to tell you stuff about them and spin them. So this one's my green one. My mom bought it for me. Because it doesn't spin that fast, but my mom bought it for me. It was my first one.
Second.
No, it's my first.
Second.
Jack's in the video, just so you know. This is Angry Bird. He wanted to join the video. No, this was my second one. I got it because I did really good at the dentist.
No, I bought it for you.
No, you didn't.
I gave you mostly all the money.
Okay, just stop with that. Then I got this one from my grandpa.
Willow!
And then these two, I got these ones at the same time. One of my friends gave them to me.
Willow!
He said
Treat!
to use them for the video. And guys, we haven't made a video for a long time. So you want to see which one spins the longest?
We're gonna do 4 videos today.
Well, maybe, I don't know.
Probably 3.
Probably 2 or something. Okay. Yeah, come on, Jack. We're gonna see which one can spin the longest.
And I have 2. One's camouflage blue colors, and one's
I didn't spin them that fast because we didn't want to make the video too long.
it's 1 minute.
Yeah, I could spin them faster. I'll just give it another spin. That's what
Well, mine's the fastest one. The camouflage blue one. Then I have a white one. Just like the one in the corner. That's the same one. Well, mine goes in the dark.
Oh. Okay. Touch it at the edge.
One stopped. Green one's about to.
I think this one's my fastest.
Yeah. Or the blue one.
And by the... Or never mind.
Oh, look it. Yeah. The white one stopped.
Oh, so spinning.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, guys, we're actually going to stop the video right about here, but in the description, we're going to tell you which one wins.
Okay. Bye.